So we's at the other meet. Just informing y'all real quick. Oh, you good, you good. I'm just here.
Always like 5 minutes away, but we live in a high military area, so sometimes people are deployed and left to take off. Good old Port Bear.
Right there, Vortex.
For real? Goddamn McDonald's. You said what? What?
This?
Yeah. Are they trolling? I think they be trolling and shit.
There's actually sometimes when they go to cars, sometimes when they...
Fucking stingray, man. Well, I'm out of here. What? Is this a 67 or 66?
Bruh.
Actually... Yep, 64 and a half.
64?
They made so many of these.
You said it's a what? Talking to yourself. You said what?
Four barrel carb.
Yo, I kind of want to ask, like, in police, like, do they know my cousin?
Never know. Oh yeah, another Dodge.
Mm-hmm. It's like the cars and coffee, they're mostly like old school, right?
He's been married like
But
Look, but don't touch.
where?
The sticker.
But people still do it. Let's do. I fucking love white interior, but it gets dirty.
Mm-hmm. Well, because you gotta take some care of it.
Isn't this the same one? What you call him? He has like a. It's like this, but it's black with a stripe, right?
I think so.
Yeah, shit.
Ah, the Beetle. The Beetle.
The Beatles. You said what?
Yeah, that's why I said this is
68.
Yep, 68.
I like that freaking spoiler. I like the answer, yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah. I'm surprised that Subaru swap Beetle doesn't come out. I haven't seen it in a while.
He's probably still working on it. I mean, he'll only bring it out when it's running fine.
No, he was at the Wolfpack meet like a couple of weeks ago.
I didn't know.
There they go. So I want the 67 or 60, well, 66 or 67.
Yep, 67.
So I just like that body style.
Yeah, I gotta get the front of the line on mine too.
Them shit so as fuck.
That is something that was so easy for them to do.
Oh, there he is.
Mr. Mans. My bad.
I saw a bunch of these at the gym.
Why?
To get rid of them when they, sometimes they.
How hard is it to get it unsalvaged? For real?
Yeah.
That's stupid, bro.
But once it's in the junkyard, they get rid of it, get salvaged out from it. That's it.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Young Nab, baby.
Purchase your tracks today.
See this guy here? He keep acting me. This is what he does. He's like obsessed with this car.
I want it.
He wants it.
Yes, he does. Gotta give that. Gotta give.
A lot like on the road and stuff.
But I know you're about to say, he's like, hey, don't have a heart attack on me.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
This shit awesome.
Like highways, you gotta go.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.